Uh, Hello there, my name's Mark. Today, I'm going to try and make myself laugh. Sheboygan. Swag. Rubber baby bottles. Rubber bubble baby bottles. Tootsie. Conjoined twins. Africa. Cantaloupe. Butt cheeks. Smorgasbord. Smorgasbord. The banalities of life. You guys know what a banal platitude is? Yeah, same. Can I get a hoo-yah? Why does moaning like a female make me laugh? I don't know. It didn't, but it usually does. I'm having a lot of fun, but I'm doing a really bad job at doing what I want to do, which is make myself laugh, which I'm going to do in the next 30 seconds. Clock it. Okay, this is a minute. What was that, 5 seconds? Alright, how many more can I do in a minute? Sheboygan! The fuck do you mean? That's a story, I'll tell you the next one. Hey, I'm Joe Torre. I'm the former manager of the New York Yankees. And I want you to suck my nipples. Sometimes I forget that I am who I am and that I'm not the person who I'm pretending to be. Not that I want to be Joe Torre or have someone suck my nipples, but I think it's like, in my own mind, I'm doing such a good job of being this person, or I'm doing my best to pretend to be them, that I forget that I am a person on my own and not a mirror, if you will, of another person. What are you still doing here? You already made yourself laugh.